Hello guys, today I'm making a roastily delicious China rice, the popular China rice. So I'm using my rice, I'm using this crayfish, I'm using this peas, and this one is more from turkey, and my carrots, and my maggi, my oil, my eggs, my pepper and salt. Just little quantity of salt. Don't be scared. I'm taking little inside. So I'm doing royal de primavera. I'm using this one. I'm using this one is spring onions. So I'm using this spring onions. I'm using this one. This is salad leaf. I'm using this one. White for the socks, I'm doing China socks that we used to eat the rice. I'm using this chicken, this broccoli, this champions. So I'm using this flour. This is flour that we used to do the royal de primavera, and a pinch of salt too. Pinch of salt too. Guys, this is the flour. I just had my water and little salt, so I'm doing the royal de primavera. Now stay tuned. Hello guys, this is the royal de primavera. Hello guys, I'm about to wrap the royal de primavera, so when I'm through I will show you guys. Hello guys, I'm frying the royal de primavera now. Just take a look, it's very beautiful. Hello guys, so my oil is in my pan now. I want to hot the oil, then put the ingredients one by one. Hello guys, this is my crayfish. So I need to fry until it's cooked. Stay tuned. How are you guys? I have had all my ingredients inside. I have the carrots, my peas and little pepper, my maggi and a pinch of salt. Hello guys, I just break my egg inside now. Look at my egg inside. Hello guys, look at the result. My egg, my peas, my crayfish, salt, pepper, my carrots and a little oil. Look at the results. So guys, I just add my rice. Look at my rice. Look at the rice. Wow, so yummy. So hello guys, I'm adding my salsa de soja. Wow, okay, yummy. Then just pour, then stir. Hello guys, look at my chicken. I am about to do the sauce now. This is my chicken. So I had this bone. If is optional, but I like chewing bone. That is why I had it. So if you like. Hello guys, wanna see the sauce? Look at the chicken, man. Look at the chicken. Look at the champion. Look at it. Mona comment so na menu I just cook. So menu. Hello guys, I just add my broccoli now. Look at my broccoli. Look at my broccoli. It's dancing. I just add my salsa de soja inside the meat. If you test my sister, yummy yummy, yummy yummy. Hello guys, yeah. See the finish up. See the royal de primavera. This is first plate. This one is the rice and the sauce. Look at your juice or your wine. Bye. Please comment. I need comment. When I comment on a sister, when I wash, when I dey cook on holiday or weekend for the family. Please subscribe and view and share my video. God bless you. Bye bye.